I think this is an important moment, and I think it will only be the beginning of more warrants for arrests, both against him and other people now committing atrocities in the name of Russia.
The International Criminal Court has issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin over alleged war crimes in Ukraine. William, your reaction to this, is it largely symbolic, or are we going to see Putin in court in our lifetimes?
Well, I hope we will. It's an important moment, actually, because beyond Putin, it is a reminder to people who are committing terrible crimes, kidnapping children, crimes of sexual violence, torture, that they might one day face justice. And that once the International Criminal Court issues a warrant, well, there are 123 countries that have signed the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. And for the rest of their lives, once they're indicted, they have to look out for ever going into those countries. So I think, of course, it seems a very distant prospect at the moment that Putin could be brought to justice. But I think this is an important moment. And I think it will only be the beginning of more warrants for arrests, both against him and other people now committing atrocities in the name of Russia.
Helena, the evidence is being gathered, isn't it?
Yes. I'm on a task force of lawyers who are working on issues to do with Ukraine. And I'm working with the prosecutor there. And all I can tell you is that one of the alarming things, and it's been included in this indictment against Putin, this arrest warrants details, and against a woman who's the commissioner for children, is that there's been the forcible transfer of children. When the bombardment of Mariupol happened and many parents of children were killed, the Russian soldiers rounded up children and they were put on transport, and they were transported into Russia. And families and distant relatives across Ukraine have tried to find out where those children are. And so the forcible transfer of those children and deportation into Russia, and the concerns that they may be being adopted and given different identification papers and so on, young children, that has been a source of real concern. And it's one of the key things on this indictment, because the woman who is the Commissioner for Children's Rights in the President's office has also had a warrant issued against her. So it's the atrocity crimes that have been committed are terrible. And that one is a particular alarm about what they're doing in terms of really punishing the people of Ukraine.
At Times Radio, we bring the front pages to life. Tune in to hear me, Cathy Newman, on Drive every Friday, 4 till 7.